Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on creating an online store using WordPress. In part 1, we have covered the initial steps like setting up the domain name, hosting space, configuring the basic e-commerce website, setting up payment methods and configuring email alerts. Today in part 2, we will continue from where we left off and explore the remaining crucial steps. Let's get started without wasting any time. In part 1, we have validated the e-commerce functionality using the demo data provided by the starter templates. In today's session, we will see how to create a category. Once the category is created, how to upload a product into the corresponding category, and then finally we will create a blog post. This completes our basic essentials of a e-commerce online store. Now you have a basic e-commerce website setup. As a next step, you need to create categories. By organizing your products into relevant categories, it becomes easier to your customers to navigate and browse through the online store. As you can see, creating categories in WordPress is a straightforward process. Simply follow these steps. Log in into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Products tab and click on Categories. Click on Add New Category and provide a name and slug for your category. I am planning to create a category with the name Bags. Add the description if necessary and choose a parent category if applicable. Finally, click on Add New Category to save your changes. Now your category named Bag is created. Even after creating the product category, you cannot able to see the product category in the main home page. This is because the product category is not added to the main menu of the home page. To do that, go to Appearance, select Menu, add this corresponding product category to the main menu. Save the changes. Now go back to the home page and see whether the menu is displayed in the product category. Now you can able to see that the main menu is displaying the product category. In this step, we will learn how to add products to your online store. Uploading products is an essential part of building an e-commerce website as it allows your customers to view and purchase the items you offer. To upload the products in WordPress, follow these straightforward steps. Log into our WordPress dashboard, go to the product section and click Add New. Provide a title and description for your product. Set up a price for your product. Upload the product image that showcases your item. As my product is related to a bag, I am providing an image related to bag. Choose the appropriate category. As I have created a category named Bags, I am checking out the option called Bags. Finally, click on Publish to make your product available for your online store. Congrats, you have successfully uploaded your first product. Repeat these steps to add all the products you want to sell. Now you have your products uploaded and it's time to leverage the power of blogging to enhance your online store visibility. Creating blog posts not only helps the search engine optimization but also allows you to share valuable contents. Creating a blog post in WordPress is simple, just follow these steps. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and click Add New. Provide a catchy and descriptive title for your blog post. Add a engaging content by including text and images. Utilize headings, bullet points and formatting to enhance the readability. Preview your blog post. Once you are satisfied, publish to make your blog post live. Now you have successfully created your blog post. In part 2 of our series, we explored the essential steps from creating product categories to uploading products and creating blog posts. We covered everything you need to know to launch your successful online store. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. Until next time, happy selling.